Hello everyone, I'm Edilbert Jalos and welcome to another EDJ open house tour for this week. Today guys, we're here in Marikina City. We're checking out the newly constructed modern single house and lot right behind me with incredible open space with 3-car carport, backyard lanai, huge living area, dining, and kitchen. Before we start our tour, please like and follow EDJ Facebook page, Reel, TikTok, Instagram, as well my EDJ YouTube channel. So you'll be notified every time we drop a video. Now guys, let's start our open house tour.